In this video, I'll show you how to get the 30-day free trial on Amazon Prime. So, of course, the first thing that you want to do is go to Amazon.com and sign in or sign up. For those of you who don't know where to find the sign in or sign up button, on the top right here, you'll see sign in. And if you're a new customer, just underneath, you'll see start here. Follow the prompt to create your account. Just put in your email address. They'll send you a code. Done. Now, what is not so simple is getting that free trial. So what I would recommend is that you do this. You're going to want to go to whatever browser you use and Google search Amazon 30-day free trial. And you can click on any of these ones here for Amazon Prime. And if you haven't already used a free trial, you should get this screen right here, and you can just click on start your 30-day free trial and fill out this form here. You need to put in your credit card or debit card, unfortunately, but you will not be charged until the 30 days are over. Of course, you can cancel at any time and they won't charge you. Now, if you have already used that free trial, unfortunately, you won't be able to get it again. But if you meet certain criteria, using that same link from Google, you will still get discounts on maybe 7 days of Prime, or even better, if you are in the ages of 18 and 24, or a student receiving government assistance, so forth, you'll see there are other discounts here. For instance, 18 to 24-year-olds and students are getting the best discount because they get a 6-month trial, which is absolutely crazy. So that is all I wanted to show you guys today. Very simple stuff, great discounts on Amazon. Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.